Our founding fathers used this to defend themselves. But today, it's more necessary to use an attorney. Now, we at Dale Carson Law don't merely handle criminal matters. We handle every matter that might potentially affect you. Child custody, divorce work. It is probably the most excruciatingly painful work that we have to do here in this office. It's frightening. Every day seems like you're losing ground. You're losing property, things you consider valuable, and you're dealing with the destruction of a very close interpersonal relationship. We understand those facts here at Dale Carson Law. They're not brushed onto the table. It's not all just about the law, and it's certainly not just about the other side and what they're saying. We are your representatives. We're the people that you can rely on to promote your interests and to give you options that few others think of. I have, over the years, had many encounters with lawyers, and some of them left me with not such a favorable impression. Typically, we find experts, not only lawyers, but other experts as well, don't have what we all know as good bedside manner. They seem to have the technical knowledge, but they can't relate with us as human beings. That will never happen here at our law office. You know, anybody who's been through a divorce understands the dynamic pretty well. It's horrible. You're living with a person typically that you just have determined that you do not like anymore. And they are eroding away your soul and how you feel about yourself. It's a very destructive, what once was a very positive relationship has turned the corner and is now destructive. We have the depth, legally and emotionally, to address the issues that will confront you every day while you're still unsure about how you need to approach the subject of divorce. It's frightening, particularly where children are involved, because we love our children, but we may now not like our former spouse or soon-to-be former spouse at all. So one of the things that we provide here, because I have been through these horrible experiences myself personally, is we provide a comforting environment. It's not off-putting. Lawyers don't sit behind desks and pretend that they are at a level different from you. We are here to help you. And to do that effectively, it's so important for you to understand that your opponent in a domestic setting is doing everything they can to make your life more difficult, to marginalize you, to make child delivery difficult, to call you on the phone repeatedly to make you uncomfortable, to insult you on occasion. We have methods, tried and true methods, to protect you from this sort of mental battery. We believe in offering our clients something that you don't often find in law today. It's hope. I have repeatedly heard from clients that we are different from other law firms. We are not dealing with just the specifics and the hard, cold facts that oftentimes look frighteningly bad. We deal with the theory of law, the hope that in law we are all equal, and we try to obtain for each client the equity that is in the law that provides each one of our clients hope. So if you seem in a circumstance that seems hopeless, never fear. Give us a call. Let's see what we can resurrect in the sense of hope for you. And let us provide you with some potential options that other law firms, other individuals have not yet thought of. You can follow us on the social networks at LinkedIn Group. We tweet on Twitter, and we're on Facebook groups and Blogspot, where we discuss matters of current interest to the population or the citizens in the law. So please follow us at Dale Carson Law.